Guys, this is Mike, and I figured I'd get on here and show you that I got my RotoBoss Talon in the mail yesterday. And this is from Jason Reif at JER Custom Designs. And I haven't had a chance to review this yet, but I wanted to give an initial review on appearance. I'm big on attention to detail. And just by looking at this, the first thing I noticed were these little beveled edges on the painted pieces. And these are all metal. But this nice little line is cut on the metal after color. And it really brings out the detail. Now, this is a 4-jaw chuck. Can be used one-handed. There's a lot of uses, and I will be doing more videos on this as I use it. I have 3 galvos and a gantry laser. This can be used on all of them. But I'm most excited about this one on my UV, since it has rubber feet right here and equal pressure with the 4 jaws. So more about that later, but I wanted to get on here and at least point out the attention to detail on breaking these edges. And that was the first thing I noticed when I took it out of the box. So more on this later. I'll have plenty of videos.